Hey everyone, I just want to show you this house. This is my first home I've ever purchased, and I'm gonna give you a little tour. So coming up the steps, I live in Georgia, so I keep all my house plants out here because I got a lot of them. It's kind of like my sunny side, and then this is like my partial shade side. I don't know the cardinal directions just yet, and then I found some prickly bear cactus that I've been planting, that I've been propagating from some of my neighbors' plants. And then so you go in, I have this this little screen of flowers so no one can kind of peer in, because this was just a window before, and I'm not too fond of door curtains. So you come in, and this is what I got. And this is our living room. I kind of gutted up and put nails here to hang our car keys, me and my girlfriend. And yeah, we got this carpet on Amazon for like $60. It was honestly, it's honestly my favorite part of this house. And then you can never tell, but that right there is actually our kitty litter. And it actually doesn't smell like kitty litter, so if any of you are thinking that, does not do that. Just because this house is kind of awkward and we couldn't really figure out a spot to put it for our cat. This is the hallway. Our Indian statue, I got that from my uncle. And yeah, this is our little, like, don't really know what to call it. I guess you can call it a vanity or like a upside down china cabinet. And then our dining room table here. It's a farm bench. And then here's our kitchen. Yeah. So I got this fridge from Home Depot. It was on like $500. And brand new too. And I love it. Can't get enough of it. I got a little bird of water there because, you know, gotta be fancy. Yeah, and then this, you can kind of tell we don't have too many cabinets, so I had to get a pantry. I got this one for $100 off Amazon, and it is doing me well. A very, very budget. I was on a very tight budget with this home. Here's our guest room, but right now it's just being used for storage. Yeah, and it was supposed to be like an in-home office. I just never used it for that. And then my bedroom comes with like a built-in bookshelf. My Oscars. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. And here's our bathroom / laundry room. We haven't hooked up the dryer yet because that's not something I've ever had to do. And I'm learning, I'm getting there. And yeah. And we got this house for a really good price too. I got it for $86,000. It's 1,200 square feet. And it's a 1/4 acre of lot. Here's Lily's room. It used to be a deck from what I was told, and they just turned it into an addition of the house. So it's kind of awkward how there's a door in your bedroom that goes to another room, and including the bathroom, but it's fine, I don't mind. And then yeah, that's about it. And then I have my office as well. You can kind of see the mural and how it looks like with the light in the inside. It's really pretty. And then here's my office, my cat Bolin. What you need, cat? He was not locked in that office for long, if any of you are thinking that. And yeah, let me show you the back porch. I've recently changed how I keep my doves. I've left my dogs outside so I could record this video. Kind of got them split up here, and then sooner or later I'll get like chairs and furniture and an actual aviary for most of these because I've been ghettoing it up for quite some time now. Here's my backyard. There's a dilapidated shed that I'm in the process of tearing down. So maybe you'll see a video later on where it's torn down. And other than that, say hello to Evie. Hi. Thank you for watching.